You know that you can't swear on my channel because then I have to edit it out.
Let's get that out of here.
Yeah? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a new vlog. I think this is going to be a really freaking good one because Cole and I are actually going to be going to the South Shore for like a day/night trip. And we're gonna be camping in the back of his van, sleeping on the beach. So wanted to bring you guys along with me because it's going to be such a good day and you gotta come along for the good days, right? Just say yes.
No, what?
Just say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, exactly. So we have got an extensive to-do list before we actually leave, which we should have done last night, but we didn't. We have to clean out the back of the van, get a bunch of groceries, get a bunch of stuff prepped, and then we can finally go. But gotta tackle that stuff first, so let's get to it. Just doesn't matter really where. Ooh. That was kind of quicker than needed to be, or I thought it was gonna be. All right, so the plan is that we're gonna actually blow up a blow-up mattress and we're gonna put it in the back of the van. And depending on if there's like bugs or anything, but like have this up and open and drive it on the beach, it's gonna be so nice. So that's why we're just cleaning out the back here. Gonna leave these seats down and then we'll just have this bed like right in here. Okay, so I am back in my apartment right now, just getting the final things packed up. We completely unloaded the car. I packed up all of my clothing, which is this one, some food here, the bedding is there, and then I'm just gonna grab like a book or something and some cards to play, hopefully. And then Cole's gonna meet me here and we're gonna be on our way. But we still have to get groceries and stuff, which is kind of a bummer because we are running so far behind. But I guess better late than never, eh? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss my babies. Apparently Cole is made of money because he just ordered like $20-some worth of McDonald's. But we finally got our groceries. I can't do this in front of people. Okay, so we got all of our groceries and a football and a baseball and stopped at McDonald's. Can I have a sip of that? And Cole ordered a lot of money worth of.
I thought it's supposed to have coffee in it.
No, but no one. This is vanilla chai.
That's why I taste the chai.
Yeah.
Really good though.
They're not like Tim Hortons where it's like a ice or cappuccino.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we are so late. It's now 12:18 and we haven't even left Bears Lake yet. But that's okay because we've got all day, right? We're just not gonna get any sun. We're not gonna get any tan.
What's the morning going? Let's just go home.
Stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just being nice. Just arrived after what feels like the longest drive ever, but I got changed into my bathing suit on the way, and we're gonna get our drinks because I stopped at the liquor store. I actually don't think I showed that, but I bought a ton of liquor. But
what are we gonna do about the cooler? We're not bringing it, are we?
We don't need to bring it right now. How far away are we? 100 meters. That's fine. Anyways, so we picked up the White Claws. I've never had those, so I'm excited. And then just some other goodies. So gonna grab a couple of those and then head to the beach. I'm not actually gonna bring my camera because I don't want there to be sand in it, but I'll use my phone if I need to. We were so freaking hot at Carter's. Like, it was stupid hot there. It must have felt like freaking 40 degrees. It was unbelievable.
Shit.
What? Oh, it's 17 degrees? What the?
That's wild.
Did we just leave a 30-degree beach to go to a 17-degree beach? Look, these people are cold. They're in freaking sweaters. What have we done?
Oops.
Anyways, I got super burnt. I'm actually peeling. I don't know if you can see. Not peeling, I'm bubbling. But we are just arriving at Crescent Beach, the one that you could drive on, so that's where we're at now. But also need to figure out where we're staying tonight. It's either gonna be here or at Green Bay Beach. But if this is freaking 17 degrees and it's looking like
16 degrees now.
16 degrees now, then it's looking like it's gonna be Green Bay. Look at the waves, oh my God. This sucks. Why? Like, people are in sweaters cool. Just sand dune. To remind you guys, Cole had to remind me to tell you guys what happened because I'm the worst vlogger in the entire world. But we got there, it was so cold, like painfully cold. It's actually crazy to think that it can go from actually 34 degrees 45 minutes away and then be 17, 16 degrees like in the same province within like an hour driving distance. Anyways, so we decided we're gonna try and check out Green Bay because it was almost too cold to even really enjoy, and so just don't want to have to compromise on not being able to sit outside. I still gotta work on completing this terrible burn, so off we go to Green Bay. Ruh-roh.
Thank you.
Welcome. This is like the most perfect night in the whole world. We've got our little blankets. We're gonna play some cards. Drinking our fruity drinks. I'm just telling them what a perfect night it is.
Who?
I'm just telling them what a perfect night it is.
Who's them?
The vlog. I didn't bring my camera though, because I didn't want them to get this. Do you feel like it's a good night?
Uh-huh.
A perfect night?
Really, yeah.
blew up the mattress. Fits actually perfect, so that's exciting. I'm just gonna put the blankets on and then play a little card game. Gonna try on a little lights. It's gonna be so cute. What a good day. Good morning. I actually slept decently well last night. Like, we were really tired, so we fell right asleep watching The Incredibles, and then stayed asleep pretty much all night. Got a little bit iffy in the morning, but for the most part, I slept really well. Probably gonna pack up here soon, and can we stop in Bridgewater and get coffee? Stop in Bridgewater and get coffee. And that's it. Brr.
Oh.
Terrible day out. Not nice at all. Alrighty guys, well, I've got my coffee here back home, feeling tired but so happy. This weekend was just like the best time. It was one of those things that we'd been talking about doing for a really long time and then just really never got around to making plans to do it. So on Thursday of this previous week, I was like, hey, what do you say? Like, do we do it this weekend? And it just fell into place, which is amazing, and we had the best time. I was actually thinking last night, I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but have you ever sat somewhere or been doing something and just thought to yourself like, oh my god, I just never want this to end. Like, I wish I could replay it over and over again because it's just such an amazing time or experience or moment. That was just me last night. I was sitting on the beach, you know, we were having some drinks, playing football, just having the best time, and it was so beautiful and so warm and so gorgeous, and I just didn't want it to end. Like, I just wish I could replay it over and over and over again. But anyways, I hope this was enjoyable to watch. I did just want to bring you along with me and show you our cute little date weekend. It was the best, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as, well, that's probably impossible, but I hope you enjoyed watching it, a portion of how much I enjoyed doing it. And I hope that you'll choose to subscribe and like this video and catch me in my next one, because I will be posting videos every Sunday. So without any further chit chat and delay, I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.